Hi guys, and welcome back to the channel. And as you can see there by the sign over there, I love Dubai. And guess what? I certainly do. So yeah guys, welcome to the channel. And we're in Dubai, United Arab Emirates. And this place is fantastic. So what you're looking at there is the Burj Khalifa, aka the Burj Dubai. It's standing at a whopper 829 meters, or 2,712 feet to be quite precise. And it's actually the world's tallest structure. And it holds that title since 2009. Wow. Absolutely incredible. So we're in this area of Dubai now, around the Dubai Mall, which I'll do another video on. But for today what we'll do is we'll just go for a walk around the grounds of the Dubai fountain here, taking in the sceneries, a nice water feature here, the fountain is not on at the moment, but I'm sure we'll be able to capture that. I don't know about you, but it's very Mediterranean look around these buildings here. I don't know, but they look very sort of like homely, don't they? Very inviting. Like I'd love to live there. I will get another video with that bridge all lit up there. I don't know whether you can notice it there, but all those Christmas lights hanging out there, absolutely beautiful. Really nicely decorated. So what we do, guys, we just walk around this area, sort of take in the atmosphere and the vibes and stuff like that. It is the middle of winter here in Dubai, but still managing to crack a punch with that sun there. It's still 28 degrees. Look at that. It's so famous for all these Instagram photographs. All the selfies. Don't get me wrong, guys, I'm just as guilty. Before I got on camera here, I was taking some photographs, selfies, getting myself in this. Wow, it's hard to believe that it's nearly 3,000 feet high up there. Guys, you have heard me talking about my drone. I did bring my drone with me, but yeah, no fly zone this whole area. So yeah, I ran out of road back there. I actually thought I could have walked around that whole lake. I should have really done a bit of homework on that, but however, we're going to walk over this bridge. But we're going to walk over it in the dark as well. Because I really want to see these lights all lighting up, and I really want to share them with you. But you can see that the main attraction around here is the Burj Khalifa. And I really hope I'm pronouncing that right. Okay, everybody, selfies, photographs, pictures. Incredible, isn't it? So that's the entrance to the Dubai Mall, but I'm not going to go in there now. I want to go in there later on when it's a little bit darker. So I can show off the lights really. It's beautiful in there. And hopefully there's no copyright music in here. I'm getting hammered with copyright in my recent videos, those Christmas videos in Perth. Here and now, you can obviously hear that background music. There's nothing I can do about it. I just can't monetize the videos. So, Social House. You might have seen me on Instagram one day raving about this Social House place. That was in Jakarta. Yeah, highly recommend it. I don't know whether I'll get here in this trip or not, because I already have some places planned out. But we'll see. But Social House, here you are. Let's do it by them all. I'd say this place looks amazing at night. I haven't seen it, guys. I'm only in Dubai half a day, I'd say. So I still don't know really where I'm walking around, or where I'm going, or where I'm gonna walk upon. I did have a few weeks to plan. I knew I was coming here. I knew I was coming to the base of the Burj Khalifa, the Dubai Mall, and I'm only here for a few days, so I'll try and squeeze in as much as I can. But this building here is pretty interesting. It sort of reminds me of Hanoi in Vietnam. There in the old quarter, you have a building that's sort of similar. You know, it looks like a cruise ship. That certainly looks fairly similar. So yeah, hopefully the next video you see, it's probably not up yet if you're watching this really new, but the internals of the shopping mall there, Dubai Mall, oh, it's incredible. There's an ice rink in there, there's a waterfall in there, there's yeah, there's lots of different things, so please stay tuned. It looks like this is the closest I can get here at the moment. Oh no, hold on a second, I'll try and walk up here a little bit. I was trying to see can I get to the base and look straight up at you guys. Yeah, that definitely looks like the old quarter, doesn't it? In Hanoi, Vietnam. What a place. Incredible. Nah, guys, this looks like as far as I can actually get. Unless I have tickets. You don't see any foot traffic in there whatsoever, bar the pigeons. So yeah. Guys, look, I'll probably leave you there because I do have a few more little bits and pieces to do with the camera today and this evening. But yeah, well, let's look up at this together. Hopefully I don't fall over because it is getting a bit dizzy, getting a bit close to this thing. But wow, look at that. Holy moly. And down again. Alright guys, look, if you're new to the channel, you're very welcome. If you are new, make sure you subscribe if you are into this sort of content. And yeah, until next time guys. Slán leat.